Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. How to cure diseases naturally. When it comes to curing diseases naturally, it's important to note that serious illnesses often require medical intervention and professional guidance. However, there are some general principles and natural remedies that can support overall health and potentially aid in the healing process. Man and nature. Man's relationship with nature is primordial and eternal. Man gathers his essentials from nature. That is why people must be careful towards nature and the environment. Because human existence is very close and tied with nature. Any influence of nature also affects human society. So if any one element of nature is damaged, it will affect the whole nature. Man is the biggest element of nature. But nature is being damaged the most by humans. Man is using the elements of nature for his luxuries and is gradually weakening her. We know that people, animals, plants, air, water and soil are some of the elements of our environment. And each of the elements that make up our environment is closely related to each other. Even if we collect various materials from nature for our own needs, we cannot fulfill the needs of nature. Have we ever heard or seen any human organ created by someone that works exactly like the organ given by the Creator? Yes, we can modify or enhance them, but cannot make them exactly like what is found in nature. Yet man continues to act against the laws of nature. As a result, it has adverse effects at individual, family, social, national, and international levels. This is my own opinion. Many may not agree with this, that is his view. But a request should not be against nature, should try to follow the natural rules. Be aware, stay healthy. From birth to death, people have to be dependent on the social and natural environment. These two types of environment mainly affect the physical and mental health of people. Health consciousness generally refers to the types of habits by which we can lead physically and mentally healthy normal or unhealthy and abnormal lives. All citizens need health awareness for healthy living. Health awareness has several parts. For example, awareness in daily activities, awareness in eating habits, and awareness in taking treatment. But in all awareness, nature and natural rules should be given priority. Because nature contains the necessary ingredients to keep the human body healthy or to heal, except in emergencies. Only knowledge is required. To live a healthy life, we have to decide whether to accept the help of the great nature given by the Creator or to depend on conventional medicine for the rest of our lives. After the age of 40 years, there is a risk of becoming different. Because the body's natural process of removing toxic substances or waste and the balance of various hormones decreases. In this situation, it is important to follow the natural rules to keep the balance process of the body right. And if you don't change your lifestyle and eating habits, you will surely suffer from 60 types of degenerative diseases including diabetes, high blood pressure, uric acid problem, heart disease, cancer, psoriasis, cholesterol problem or at the same time. But there is a way to get rid of them. But in this case you need goodwill and planning and a little hard work. There is no substitute for orderly living. There is no substitute for orderly living to live stably and without drugs. Eating natural food according to natural rules, controlling food, drinking water, exercising properly, breathing properly, controlling mental stress and getting enough sleep, fasting for 17 hours, 20 to 30 minutes of sunlight on the body. By combining these, life will be secured. First of all, discipline yourself. You have to take care of your health. Exercise and lift weights daily. You can walk or run according to the rules. In this case, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is very effective. It takes only 18 minutes to complete, but its performance is equivalent to an hour. You will sit for less than 3 hours a day. Stand between work, walk or move your body a little in a chair or bed. If necessary, you can take some essential vitamins and minerals. For example, vitamin D3, selenium, magnesium and iodine. Drink at least 3 liters of alkaline water daily to flush out body waste. Avoid white and refined sugars and eat organic green vegetables, red or black fruits, a variety of nuts, seeds, sea vegetables and fats. Avoid processed foods, artificially flavored foods, sugary foods and beverages, processed meats, farm-raised eggs, and fish. Because farm animals are fed GMO, genetically modified organism, food, which is terribly harmful to the human body. Ketogenic food plans should be followed in case of any illness. Consume at least 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt daily with various meals. This salt contains various minerals, which are not found in ordinary sea salt. Apart from these, regular removal of waste from the body is very important. Because toxic elements and chemicals are entering the body in different ways every moment. Remember, conventional medical systems cannot provide complete healing. But only in emergency and temporary cases, the role of conventional treatment is undeniable. What should be eaten to be healthy? The importance of health can be understood only when one is sick. If the body is not healthy, the mental health is not good. Therefore, you have to strive for the health of body and mind. To keep the body healthy, strong and functional, some bad habits of life must be abandoned forever and the right food must be selected. Only organically cultivated and collected food from nature can give normal and healthy life. Also follow the natural rules in living. It is enough to enjoy life to the fullest. Basically, there are 3 types of food: carbs, fat and protein. Apart from these, we must have enzymes, coenzymes, minerals, vitamins, phytochemicals, fiber in our diet. Because without these enzymes and coenzymes, no chemical reaction will occur in the cells of the human body. As a result, when you eat any food, you have to think whether you are getting all these ingredients or not. Significantly, all naturally produced foods contain these nutrients. Artificially produced foods are tasty, attractive, but not nutritious. These foods only satisfy the needs of the mind, but not the needs of the body. For a healthy body and a balanced mind, smoking, alcohol, and drugs should be avoided forever. Artificial food and artificial living are the main causes of sickness today. Wise people eat to live, not live to eat. We can live more than 100 years. Who does not want immortality? Since ancient times, even in today's modern scientific world, there has been no less effort to discover various ways to conquer death. Hundreds of organizations like the Life Extension Foundation are constantly conducting scientific research to extend human life and prevent aging. Many scientists say that we can prolong our life, can even live more than 100 years. But I do not agree with this statement as a person who believes in God. How long we will live in this world depends on the will of the Almighty. Believers in God will agree with me on this. But one thing can be said for sure: how healthy we live depends on us. The standard of health of our life is 100% dependent on us. Because the Almighty Creator has given us two things for free. These are our body and time. So we should take care of our bodies and spend our time wisely in harmony with nature by consuming the elements of His created world. Remember, our phenotype or lifestyle will determine whether we will face serious health problems or not. Genotype or hereditary health complications only warn us that we are at risk. But it cannot be said with certainty that the hereditary disease will surely attack us. Therefore, to improve the quality of life, healthy lifestyle and nature's rules and restrictions must be followed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.